Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make macarons from scratch. Start by accurately weighing your almond flour, powdered sugar, and egg whites to the gram and sifting thoroughly to avoid lumps. Whip egg whites to glossy stiff peaks while gradually adding granulated sugar. Fold the dry mix gently with a figure-8 motion until batter flows like lava and forms a thick ribbon, then pipe consistent rounds on lined baking sheets and rest before baking. Make a stable meringue by starting with clean bowls and letting egg whites age slightly at room temperature. Add sugar slowly and whip to firm glossy peaks, but stop before graininess appears. Gently fold almond mixture in 3 additions, pressing out air but keeping flow. The batter should spread slowly when piped. Tap the tray to remove large bubbles and allow shells to form a skin before baking at moderate heat for crisp edges and chewy centers. Choose fillings that complement your shells, like Swiss buttercream, ganache, or curd, and make them smooth and spreadable. Chill fillings slightly to make piping clean and controlled, then use a round tip to deposit even amounts. Match flavor intensity so delicate shells don't get overwhelmed, and rest assembled macarons in the fridge for 24 hours if possible to let flavors meld and textures balance, then bring to room temperature before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.